Hey guys, I seem to like making these car videos. So today I want to talk about two very small cap companies, and I'm not recommending that you buy these two companies, but I'm just kind of telling you what I own and some of the things that I buy. These are definitely two companies that I expect that I might make over 100% returns on. So first of all, welcome to the channel. This is Rosar's Investments, and my name is Ara. And the Dow Jones went up about 330 points today. And, finally it went up after a couple weeks of going down. Especially Chinese stocks, which, if you know me, you know I own a lot of Chinese stocks. And they had a really good rebound, so I was really glad that I bought more of those. But I always talk about Chinese stocks, so I'm going to talk about two of the American companies that I own. First one was recommended to me by a friend, and the symbol is MVIS, and that's the symbol for Microvision. So I saw some YouTube videos about this company on their own channel about the stuff that they're doing, and it's absolutely amazing. From memory, this is about a $100 million market cap company. So it's very small, and they are not profitable. They definitely have money issues and different kinds of issues. But the thing is, their product is amazing. They have this thing where you can project the screen onto a surface. You can project a mini version of the screen onto a surface, and then, let's say just you project it onto your kitchen table, and then you can actually control your kitchen table just like it was a tablet. You can just control the screen, if you want to, swipe right or click on this. So you're actually doing all the motions on your kitchen table, and it's it looks like a full-size screen or bigger, wherever you project it to. So it's absolutely amazing technology, and I can see this company getting bought out by a company like Samsung or LG or one of the chip makers, or anything like that. Super interesting technology, and I believe that I got my shares around $1.15 to $1.20. And basically I bought it for the chance to make hundreds of percent on this. This is probably never going to be a dividend payer. This is a company that might get bought out. This is a company that might eventually go bankrupt. But as of right now, they raised money a few weeks ago. They ended up selling more shares around $1.20. And now they seem to have enough money to perform their business operations. And because their product is so amazing, it's definitely a stock that greatly interests me. Plus, the guy that recommended it to me, he bought the stock based on fundamentals, but he's more of a technical trader, and he is absolutely convinced that this is a stock that could go up to $2, $3, $4, $5 a share. So getting in at $1.20, while no one at all is interested in the world, $1.20 is like nothing for this. So the chance to get in at a super low valuation. A lot of people, mention the phrase buy low, sell high. And the problem with that is it's really scary to buy when it's low. And this is when the stock is low. I mean, a lot of bad stuff could happen. This is a super small company. I'm sure they don't want their shares to be selling for $1.10, $1.20. But, it is what it is. And this is, a company, if you want to look into it, if you want a little bit of a gamble and try to make hundreds of percent on your next return, this is definitely one to check out. So the second stock of the day is APPS, APPS. And again, this was recommended by another friend of mine, Colby. Hi, if you're watching. And APPS is a very different company. APPS makes their money by helping people that have applications gain revenue and revenue streams, so through advertising. So APPS is very different because even though they're not profitable, they are actually growing revenue like crazy. And anyone that's watched companies like Amazon, Netflix, IKEA, Huya, all those different companies that are growing like crazy. When you're growing your revenue really fast, people start to get interested. So again, this is a very, very small company. This is trading for about $1.50 per share, give or take. I think this morning it was $1.57 a share. And I only bought it because it is a small cap company. I think they are growing revenues because the product is very, very useful to app developers and app owners. And I believe this is another one of those companies that it's probably not going to go bankrupt, first of all, because they are growing revenue. And when you're a company that's growing revenue, you can always raise money, even if you're not making money organically. But at $1.50 a share, this stock was up to $2.80 a share in recent history. So it could definitely go up to $2.80 a share again. And it could definitely go much higher than that. If they do continue to grow revenue, at some point, it would be ridiculous for the stock to stay at $1.50 a share. So I think this one was a good pick by Colby. And I personally bought 1,000 shares of this, not too much, but I would definitely consider buying more. The only reason I'm scared to buy more, again, because it's such a small cap company, and who the hell knows with these things. It's very easy to lose 50% of your money in these situations. But the potential to make hundreds of a percent is there. I mean, how often do you get a chance to buy a very, very small cap company? It would probably be considered a micro-cap company that is just growing revenues tremendously, and their services are actually being utilized. It's like full steam ahead with this company. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Again, I'm not recommending that you guys buy it, but I'm just telling you what I do with my money, and I have had some success investing in companies, and it's so nice to get 100, 200, 300% return on the money that you've invested, because mathematically, I've never lost 100% of my money on any investment. It's very, very hard to lose 100% of your money, actually. Sometimes investments go down 20 or 30% for me, but usually companies don't go bankrupt. I mean, especially this company apps, like if they're growing revenues, like they're not going bankrupt. They'll find a way to make it work. And getting in at $1.50 a share, the risk to reward ratio, it could go down to $1.20, $1 if things go horrible. But they're growing revenues, so if they gain some interest by investors, I mean, this could absolutely be $2, $3, $4, $5, maybe $10. Who knows? I mean, as long as they're growing revenues and they keep the interest of investors, the sky's the limit for this. So yeah, I just wanted to bring your attention to these two companies and stocks that most people don't know about. It might be interesting to you. If you like these type of videos, definitely leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up. I'm very, very happy that I have like over 200 subscribers now. So thank you guys for actually watching. This means a lot to me, and I like talking about this stuff. Super, super interested. Also, if you're interested in any other topics like poker or other type of financial advice other than stocks, I have a lot of experience in some other stuff too, but I just really enjoy talking about stocks because it's just so much money. It almost feels like passive income. I do put a lot of work into thinking about my stock choices and my trades, but it definitely feels like passive income when when you make $5,000 or $10,000 on a trade. It feels like, oh wow, I didn't even have to work for it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day.